If you want to customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Now over here scroll down a little bit and go to wallpaper and style. And after that, on the left side here we have the lock screen. We can tap on it in order to customize it. There we go. Of course we can tap on the clock over here in order to change the font and color. Over here at the bottom we can change the color. We can also make it adapted from wallpaper. We can use a gradient as well. Not only that, we can also go to style in order to choose a different style for the clock. We can also show and hide the weather information and change the position of the date to be above the clock. Furthermore, we can also make the clock a little bit bigger. We need to simply drag it by using one of the corners. And of course we can change the position as well, place it a little bit lower or higher. It's up to you how you want to use it. And then we also have widgets, so we can tap on add widgets panel in order to add different widgets. We can use up to 4 spaces, and the space is written below the widget name. So for example, this one over here, custom camera, takes 2 spaces because it's 2 by 1. If you go to clock, then over here we have 1 by 1, so we can, I believe, add up to 4. We can use up to 4 spaces, which is for 1 by 1 widgets. And of course, if you want to remove a widget, then we can tap on the widget over here on the minus sign in order to remove it. Then we also have buttons at the bottom of the screen. We can tap on them in order to customize them as well, so you can assign a different action to these buttons. And of course we can change the wallpaper by tapping on this wallpapers button in the top left corner. Once you are done with the changes, simply press done in the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!